What's going on, good people? Welcome back to another vlog. Gorgeous weather, look at the sun. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this weather's gorgeous. Finally getting the Ducati out. Another summer day. Oh, this is the weather I need to always have my tires heated. Anyway, people, welcome back. Hopefully everyone's been watching my last vlogs. Hopefully everyone's enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed making them. A lot of people stare at this bike. A lot of people stare at this bike. It's quite funny actually. But I guess they love it. I guess they like it. Hopefully they do. Anyway, people, yeah, welcome back. Gorgeous day. Got the bike out. I started it in race mode. Too aggressive for starting when it was cold, so popped her back into street mode. So we're going to be riding this in street mode for a while until it warms up nicely, get a bit of temp in my tyres. Then I can go and ride into my settings that got less traction. Until then, I gotta stay safe. Anyway, we're going to the Auto Arena. Quick ride. Nothing major, nothing major. Just a quick ride down there. Catch up with one of my bros. Drop something off. Yeah, that's it. Keeping it nice and simple. But that is all we're going to be doing today. Plus, I get to take this beauty out for a little ride. So, any excuse to get the bike out, I'm kind of on it. So, yeah, we're good. You know, I'll make it happen. Anyway, I still need to do what I need to do. I don't even know what order these videos are going to be released in. They're probably all going to be back to front. God knows. Either way, I'm giving you guys content as much as possible, so yeah. But anyway, like I said, we're gonna head to the Auto Arena, just catch up with someone, drop something to them. I just want to take a random ride out. That's all this is, guys, are random rides. The more I ride the bike, the more I get used to this bike, so yeah, that's the main aim of the day, just to ride and enjoy. But anyway, I think before this video comes out, you should see my official first ride vid where I go into detail about a lot of the aspects of this bike. The sport modes, street modes, all of that good stuff. So, yeah. Oh, guys, I can't tell you how much I love having mirrors back on the bike. Oh my days, it is night and day difference. Like, I know what's behind me and I don't even need to look behind me at the moment. I just know it is so, I don't know, man, guys, it's just a lot safer. Like street bike, sorry, race bike, some love. Yeah, I mean, having it without the mirrors it's funny because it's like a race bike, but you can't see crap behind you. You have, I literally will lifesaver like every few seconds because I don't trust anyone behind me. So, you know, gotta be cautious. Gotta be cautious. So yeah, gotta be cautious. Lifesavers all the time. Make sure people ain't doing no stupidness behind me or tailgating me like the other driver in that blue Vauxhall did last week, who absolutely annoyed me for doing that because it's stupid. But anyway, yeah, that's why I love having the mirrors back on, guys. But yeah, I can't wait to do some stuff to this bike. I mean, this weather, I bought this bike to ride pretty much all the time in this good weather. So, you know, the minute the sun is out, that is it. This bike is coming out all the time. So, yeah, I can't wait for more of these nice good weather days. I can ride it, warm her up, get more used to it. Yeah, that's the goal. So yeah, we're gonna, actually no, we'll go straight today, flip it. Yeah, I had it in there, I had the clutch completely off there, my bad. So yeah, yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, so I mean the weather's great. Yeah, oh guys, this bike, right, Ducatis have a really late clutch release, like, so you could literally be, the clutch could be all the way like this, and this could be the end point, and you, where you release it and it bites could be like literally here, and then you've got not much left to go. So it's quite crazy. You really have to get used to the clutch on this bike, or you just sit on the bite point, and when your lights change, you just roll off. It's up to you how you want to do it really, but yeah, I don't know, you get used to it anyway. So yeah, but anyway, like I said, yeah guys, mods, listen, can't wait to mod this bike. Like, I've already done my full mod list for this bike. So, oh wow, what's that? It's like a Caterham. Don't see them often at all. Yeah, I've done my full mod list. So, oh my gosh, I'm not going to say all the parts, but we have a lot of parts to put on this bike. We've got this section here, this needs to be changed to a tinted one. Got this, I'm changing. The lower fairings, there's a bunch of stuff. Let me not say too much now to ruin it, but there's a bunch of stuff that I am going to do to this bike, and it's going to look freaking sick. I'm telling you, it's going to look sick. So, that's what we're going to do with this bike. Oh, that breeze is so nice. And even guys, look at this. I mean, as much as people see me wearing this red hoodie, right? Because obviously red bike, red hoodie. I've got all my armor underneath. Like, I don't actually ride without gear, and if I do, it's going to be very rare. But I haven't ridden without gear yet, and I don't intend to. Because yeah, you never know what can happen. Like today, I was thinking, yeah, I'll ride in a t-shirt. In the back of my head, I was just like, nah, let me not do that. So, yeah. Anyway, all my gear's underneath. Got my armored boots, everything on practically. So, yeah, ride with your gear, guys. Ride with your gear. I know it's hot and that, but I mean, sometimes the heat is, you know, just got to get through it. Health is more important. I'm sure one day I will ride without gear, so don't like freaking beat me up in the comments about it. But I mean, yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I just ride with my gear once again today because I thought it was the most sensible thing to do. But this day is lovely. You guys, this bike, listen, I was saying in one of the last videos, whoever's considering getting a bike, just get the bike. Nice M3, they were checking the bike out. He's got gold tips. Get the bike. Don't contemplate, don't think, just do it. Legit, like, I aimed for a specific bike, right? I aimed high anyway, like, it's always good to do that, and I achieved even higher. So get the bike you want. Get the bike you want. Everyone looks at this bike, it's actually crazy. I never knew that when I was going to get this bike, it gets this much attention. Like, it's ridiculous. A lot of people clearly know Ducati, so yeah, I don't know, a lot of people clearly know this brand of bike. But yeah, the attention is crazy. Like, even when I took it to the supercar event recently, I mean, they got more attention than the bloody supercars and the hypercars. I mean, we had Ferraris, we had TDS, we had Bugattis, and all sorts there. It got more attention, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, I don't know, crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, so guys, last week I had a little bit of a scare, right? Well, not really a scare, but the tires were cold, right? These are like semi-slick tires practically, so you have to heat these up before you get grip, right? So I was riding and I forgot, oh wait, semi-slicks, they weren't very heated, right? So I went on the brakes a little bit sharp, and then the back fishtailed on me a bit, and I was just like, whew, damn. Yeah, you know when you get like this is gonna be funny when you see that woman, or when you find the right lady, she gives you the butterflies. Well, this bike gave me the same butterflies, and I'm sure there's a guy to my right taking a leak. But yeah, I got those same butterflies, which is quite funny. So yeah, yeah, it was kind of scary. Not really scary like that, but you know, you just don't expect it. So yeah, so it's always good to take your time when you first get on the bike, man. Honestly, just take your time, ride and enjoy. Just don't ride stupid. But yeah, see, like even there, the tires aren't the warmest yet, so got to kind of take it a little bit easy. But yeah, he's got the red outfit, red bike. Hey, he likes it, yeah? Cool. He knows, man. Ducati's the way. Let them bite him. Yo, this bike. dirt bikers on my bum. And dirt bikers on my booty. Bike hype today, boy.
09.
Huh?
That Tracer 09.
What behind us? Don't know, bro. Yeah, man, you gotta ride on a day like this. Have to. How you finding riding? Alright, yeah? You finding riding alright? You finding riding alright, yeah? It's all good? Go for... Yeah, they're sick. Hell yeah, man. Sorry guys, damn, I've not been speaking for how long now? I've been sitting here vlogging and not even speaking, saying a word. Look at the weather, look at this weather. Are you serious? It is so clear. Oh, that pothole just cracked my nuts. Oh, that did hurt. Wow, infertility, 100%. Yo, that was not the one. Yeah, that's not the one. But yeah, beautiful day, great weather for riding. Ah, my tires need to get sticky. Guys, this surface right here near the O2, right? If you're on a bike, be careful. It is extremely like dusty. You lose grip here, like it's nothing. I'm telling you, it's not the one. It's not the one. Oh, I've got something in my eye. Honestly, it's not the one. My eye's itching. When I stop, I've got to give that rub. That rub-a-dub. Man, this weather is the one. Well, I'm going right. Make sure you're in the right lane. Oh, look at this. I mean, look at the surface. Yo, raw. I felt my bike back wheel shift there. Like, that's not the one. Bentley. Nutcrackers. Yeah, we're back at the O2 yet again for another Well, I don't actually know. But we're here again. Oh gosh. This weather is amazing. Oh my gosh. You just wait, I'm actually not even that hot wearing the gear. Like, fair enough, when we stop, right, I feel the heat more, which is understandable. But when we stop now, I'm good. I don't feel the heat too much. Like, I'm good. Yeah, man, them people, they clearly followed me for everything. I just hope their license plate is kosher, if you know what I mean. I just hope it's all kosher. I hope it's all good. Damn. Anyway, guys, you tell me, you comment below, you tell me what you guys want to see in some of these videos. You let me know. Plenty of content I can produce. I just need to know what it is you guys want to see. Oh, that was so uneven. Yeah, so yeah, you let me know. And these car parks, I can just ride right around that stuff. Like, right, there's a lot of people queuing up for Arsenal. Damn, like a lot of people. Oh, these humps cracking my nuts, man, I'm telling you. Ugh. Yeah, so now I need to figure out where he wants me to meet him. What the hell? They dressed up. It's kind of interesting.